Hi everyone, this is Leena. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing level 2 career analysis according to KP system of astrology. And I will be explaining how to analyze career if the 10th house cuspal sublord star lord is Saturn. So career signified by planet Saturn. Now in last video I spoke on 10th house cuspal sublord and its star lord significations. So let's start with 10th house cuspal sublord. Like first step, build a team that will take you towards narrowing the career options. So here 10th house cuspal sublord is Saturn, okay? So now Saturn here is self-significator, and like here if a planet is in its own star, then also it is considered to be self-significator. So self-significator means when a planet works at star lord level also. So now let's see its position. First step is to see the position. The position here in Bhavchalit is in the second house. Okay, so note down the coordinators given by Saturn. This is 2, 4, 5, and then towards sublord level Jupiter is giving 3, 6 and 12. Now what career options Saturn can give? See, Saturn can give options like infrastructure, construction company, real estate builder, or even agents. And then tough work like mechanical jobs, iron and steel work, manufacturing units, coal mines, and even oil companies. They all come under Saturn category. Now come to the sublord Jupiter. See, Jupiter, even this is the self-significator here. So now Jupiter will work at star lord level also. Remember this. Now here you will write the script Saturn, and then you will include Jupiter also. So Jupiter significations. Jupiter is the karaka of wealth, prosperity, wisdom, and Jupiter is making huge investments. And due to this 12th house is investment. So getting best gains out of services, as this is it's 11th house cuspal sublord also, like you can see here. It's the 11th house. Jupiter is 11th house cuspal sublord. Okay. So again, Jupiter is 11th house cuspal sublord. So Jupiter will expand the money you get from clients, as 6th house is shown here. So 6th house is clients expenses or investments, and 6th house, it's 12th from the 7th house. 7th house is your client, so even your business partner. So now you have to join the team, like second house Saturn. This can give family, business, finances also. Okay, second house, family, business, finances. Then come to the 4th house, construction of house, builder, real estate, property, building, and then come to the 5th house. See, 5th house is creativity. It's a artwork, finest interiors, and 5th house is intelligence, the best decision makers, and these are the experience givers. Here the brand and the amazing experience is creating abundance and prosperity. Okay, so next step is, see, you have to see 7th house cuspal sublord, because this is a businessman chart. So 7th house cuspal sublord is moon. So what coordinators moon is showing? Moon is showing 3, 10. Then Venus is 1 at 12. Okay, so here also we get contracts, agreements due to this 3rd house involvement. See, moon is the karaka of 4th house, and real estate, comfort. So use like this. So business related to real estate, Venus is the luxury, finest interiors, and 8th house involvement. See, 8th house is used here for construction and employees at these sites. So one has to handle all these employees and stay on sites, get the work done, and face labor issues. And if you notice, this chart, it involves 8 12. It's majorly seen in the entire chart, 8 and 12. See, all the planets, they're showing 8 and 12. And so they're getting rental income from commercial properties, and they prefer to invest that money, and then again money out of it. Again money is generated. So Scorpio Saturn, see here, Scorpio Saturn. Saturn position. Okay, so this is mysterious, hidden stuff, and fixed sign. Now, even if you check the finance position, like the second house cuspal sublord is Rahu. So, if you see Rahu coordinators, Rahu is even Rahu is showing 1, 8, and 12. So, even this states gains. But again, hidden element is here. Rahu involvement, it shows again 8th house and certain things which are fake at times, and there is some mysterious stuff going on. Some hidden element is there. Now, in such cases, people, they invest money in spouse account also, and then money through illegal means. See, this is when you don't show your real income and believe in making and saving more. So 8th house involvement also states sudden ups and downs. And see 6, 8, 12 is majorly seen in this chart. 8 and 12 is majorly seen. But again 6 is here, so we cannot ignore this also. If we see Jupiter, it is showing 6, 8, 12. Now understand this combination. See, 6th house is called Shadripu. This is disease, debt, and dispute. So one can commit mistakes. And then 8th house, you can lose ideologies because it's 12th from 9th house. And then 12th is losses. So this is self-destruction. And when your values are not aligned, it causes disharmony. So this guy, he's a managing director of one of the biggest real estate giants, and he started his career as a structural engineer. And let me again explain this. See, first of all, we saw 10th house cuspal sublord Saturn. Then we saw Saturn combinations. It involves second house, that is finance. Then 4th house, the real estate. And 5th house is the creativity and the fine arts. Then Jupiter is also is showing the contracts, agreements, and plannings done. And services, this is investment house, lot of expenses are there. And then again business is also showing same combinations, plannings and contracts, and then spouse money or partners money. And then again towards end also business is real estate is being shown here, and finance is accumulated, money is accumulated, creativity is shown here, because here also Saturn will be taken at star lord level. So understand like this: creativity, real estate, and even accumulated money. Business is also showing same, and 10th house is also showing same combinations. Even if we see finance, Rahu, and then again Mars. See, Mars is also called the Bhumi Karka. So these people, they buy huge pieces of land and then they invest money. So that was my analysis explaining Saturn options. I will be coming with more career options, as I like to do in-depth analysis. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and do visit my website redastrologer.com. I have written a lot of blogs for beginners in astrology. And let me know if any query, and read charts with a flexible mindset and see what is fixed and where is the free will, and practice more on birth charts. And as patience and calm mind helps in focusing on problems and getting to resolutions. Have a great time.